Turns out, Apple claims were true. Hello and welcome to Compiling Tech, where we make compilations of the technology world. It's official. It is all over the internet. Look at this number. This is the single-core performance of the fastest Core i9 iMac on Geekbench. And now look at the M1. The Apple Silicon, it's ahead of the internet. And in multi-core, they are above the 16-inch MacBook Pro from 2019 and on par with most of other high-end chips on the market. Although graphics are better, they are not better than having a discrete graphics card from NVIDIA or AMD. But you can see here it has faster transfer speeds than the Xbox Series X and S. You want to edit and export 4K video? No problem. Boom, 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 boom. It renders 4K video like butter.
That's crazy.
The M1 is so fast that with the help of Rosetta, you can keep working in your Premiere project. And remember, this is running on an ARM-based chip, alright? A cell phone chip, if you will. That is just insane performance from a non-native application. The internet is going crazy with this. I will be putting all the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more tech videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.